I'm going to show you exactly how to add transitions in Canva presentations using free tools that will instantly make your slides look smoother and more professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to apply transitions across your entire presentation or customize them slide by slide. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. In the search bar at the top, type in any keyword related to your project plus the word presentation. For example, if you're creating a school project about history, type history presentation. If it's for business, you can type business presentation. Canva will then show you dozens of ready-made templates you can start with. Once you've found one you like, click on the button that says Customize this template. This will open up the editor where you can start making adjustments. Now let's add transitions. Scroll down to the bottom of your slides and hover your cursor between any two slides. You'll see a small transition icon appear. Go ahead and click on that. Then this tab's gonna pop out with different transition styles. Canva gives you several free options like flow or match and move. Click on a transition to preview it. If you like how it looks, you can apply it to just that one slide. But if you want the entire presentation to have the same transition for a smoother flow, click Apply to all pages. This will automatically set the same effect across your whole presentation. If you'd rather customize each slide with different transitions, you can repeat the same process for each one. This is useful if you want certain slides to have more emphasis or variety in the way they appear. Once you're happy with your transitions, don't forget to preview your presentation. Just click Present in the top right corner and go through your slides to see how the transitions flow together. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You've just learned how to add transitions in Canva presentations. Simple, professional, and beginner-friendly. If you'd like to learn more about Canva, don't miss our free 20-minute masterclass for beginners where we cover all the basics step by step. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.